All right, we got the Coke Zero Sugar Oreo limited edition flavor. I don't know what this is or why I'm making this video. Saw it and I was like, dude, the Costco double chunk chocolate cookie. TikTok did pretty good, so let's try this as well. Just came back from the gym, that's why I look insane. There it is. It's like fizzy cookie. Dude, I don't know, man. I like Oreos, right? Obviously, most people like Oreos. I like the cream more personally, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, I thought it was coming up. Yo. That's kind of... Jesus Christ. Dude, it tastes like the cookie. Like, it's a little bit of cream, a little bit of cookie. This is actually pretty good. I don't know how much I could drink it because there's probably insane ingredients in it. It goes water and then caramel color, which is going to dye your insides, which if I wanted my insides dyed, just call up Papa Smurf. I don't know. Hey, I'm going to keep drinking it, though. I'm going to keep drinking it. I don't know if I'll buy another one, but Coke, you're doing something. What the